Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn layer mask. So in the previous tutorial I taught you basic of Photoshop, then the second video was about simple layer concept, and third video was like layer and layer group and how we can link two layer together. And I built a project like a simple web page like Ecofy, a plant sharing website. Okay. So let me no, I'm not going to show the design, but in this video I'm going to teach you layer mask. Okay, so this is the tutorial series. So if you don't understand my language, or if you, I would say, just watch the video and follow the tutorial. Okay, so language does not matter. Most of the video I have seen on YouTube that they do not use any language, like they do not use any commentary, they just add a background music and they work on it. Okay, so in the previous tutorial I make video, I make video in English but Hindi, but from today I'm not going to make any more video in Hindi due to my professional reason, because in my profession they have Hindi does not allow. Okay, Hindi does not allow, and Bengali is not, there is no any Bengali people. Most of the people is Hindi, and work culture, when we just take a meeting, we have to speak English. So why not? Why not? Maybe my English is not pretty good, but why? Because due to lack of practice, for the past 3 to 4 months I didn't even talk a single line in English. So okay, that's my personal issue, so I just share with you. So let's firstly open Photoshop and let's teach you what is layer mask. Okay, so I'm going to, so Photoshop is loading. So okay, so these are my previous work. So I'm going to create a new file. Okay, so new file, here I'm going to give a title like layer mask. Let's learn layer mask. Okay, and width is going to be 1920, because today nowadays most of the laptop and computers full resolution, like full HD resolution 1920 width, and height you can give it anything, but 300 pixel is pretty good, there will be absolutely no problem. So okay, I'm not going to create any new layer, I'm going to directly just open. So I'm just going to open the photo, like tiger photo. Okay, so as you can see that tiger is open, and now I'm going to select it using pen tool. Okay, so what is pen tool? Pen tool guys, not pen tool. It is a pen tool, like it would be dotted like pen. So as you can see that pen tool shortcut is P. So if your default selected is move tool, so you can use pen tool like this tool, like directly you can press P and select it. And let's firstly zoom the tiger, because we have to just, okay, I'm scrolling my mouse wheel. So let's select the tiger first. So let's quickly select it, and then I will show you how you can do layer mask. Okay, so firstly you cannot do layer mask this way. Firstly let's zoom out. So in order to add layer mask, firstly you have to unlock the layer, background layer. Okay, I just unlock it, and let's like if you press F7 means, sorry, my keyboard does not work because it's a emoji keyboard. So if your layer mask is not showing here, you directly press your keyboard F7, right? If you press F7, so your layer panel will be shown. Okay, so I'm not going to press F7 because my keyboard is like different keyboard. If I press F7 on my keyboard, it will be directly show emoji. Let's try it. So as you can see, the emoji is showing, so that's why my keyboard is like, does not like other keyboard. So I'm going to add layer mask. So here this is for linking, this is apex panel, and this is add layer mask. If I click here, so beside tiger there will be new layer will be clicking here, there will a new layer will be created. So let's do it. Okay, so as you can see that a new layer is created, and now I am going to select this tiger using pen tool. Okay, so firstly let's select it and then I will show you. So let's control and plus zoom in, and now I'm going to select the tiger quickly. Okay, Z. So guys, I'm going to just select the tiger and let's continue the video. So it will take little time, so I'm going to pause the video, and after selecting whole tiger, so how I am selecting, I'm just clicking left click on my mouse. Okay, so if you are using laptop, it is not, I will not say that it is not possible, definitely possible, but it will be more harder than using mouse. Okay, so I'm just going to pause the video, and after selecting the tiger I will continue the video. Okay, so let's pause the video. Okay guys, I almost selected the tiger, and just hold on for few seconds. So tiger will be selected. So if you are working at a cyber cafe and some people is coming to you and they need passport size image, you can use pen tool to remove background. Although nowadays like most of the AI software is came into the market, and they will be remove your background in just one click, but there you have to spend money. So if you are using, like, there are lots of paid tool in the market, I'm not going to sponsor them, I'm not going to take the name, but there are most of the software in the market today's market. One click you will just hit upload the image and your background will be clearly removed. So although they give you preview version, but if you want a premium version like full HD photo, the same as your main or original image, so you have to pay them. Okay, so if you are working at a cyber cafe, so this is not definitely recommended that you have to use like background removal tool, AI tool. So in that case, if you use them, I would say you are not going to get any profit. Why? Because they are paid and their price is pretty high. Okay, so I'm going to almost there, guys. I almost selected them, so I'm going to little zoom it. Okay, I'm going to zoom it. So okay guys, almost there, just wait for a few seconds. Okay guys, so I'm just clicking left click. Okay, I'm just clicking on my mouse left click, so you have to keep in mind. So guys, from today I'm not going to make any video in Hindi, because in my work culture our colleagues, they use, my brother, I would say they use English. So if I make video in Hindi, my student will not be able to get any benefit. So guys, almost there. Without any further talking, let's select the tiger. Okay guys, so I'm going to quickly selected it. So maybe tiger is not fully selected, but I will try my best. So it's take little bit time because you have to do it manually. Okay guys, almost there. I just selected it. So last point, you have to look. If I just click here and I pause the video, your tiger will not be selected. Click control and hit enter, your tiger will not be fully cutted. So you have to put your pen tool on the first tool like there, and if you like control and enter, you will see something here. Okay, so let's see what happened. Look, I just control and enter, I just hit control and let's zoom out, control and minus. Okay, tiger is selected, and now the concept is, what is layer mask? If now I use brush tool, like brush tool, this is brush tool. Okay, B brush tool shortcut is B. Okay, you have to use shortcut, and let's bigger my brush. Where is my brush, brother? Here is my brush. let's make it bigger. Size should be okay, it is okay. And now if I just brush it, your background will not be removed. Okay, our tiger will be removed. Let's see. Okay, let's firstly click X and let's switch our background and foreground color. Okay, the background and foreground color is switched, and if I brush it, the tiger will be removed. Let's see. Our tiger is going to remove. Okay, so we don't want our tiger should be removed. We want our background should be removed. So that's why what should I do? Let's Ctrl Z. Firstly, let's again X and switch, like let's switch our brush tool X and let's redo the tiger. Okay, tiger color is again get back, and I have to paste Ctrl Shift I to invert selection, like outer will be selected. Ctrl Shift I, and as you can see our outer is selected, and if I brush now, our tiger will be stay there, but our background will be removed. Let's see. Let's switch our background color like X, and there we go. Our background color is getting removed. Okay, so this is really good features of Photoshop. So why do I need to just use this feature? Okay, so I'm going to describe it, and I'm going to give you reason that why we should use these features. So firstly, let's remove it clearly, and then I'll show you, and I will tell you why we need these features. So our background is completely erased. Okay, so our tiger is, so if I just now how to deselect it? So in order to deselect it, you have to press Ctrl D, and tiger is deselected. If I now hit V and move tool selected, so now our tiger will be float. Okay, so what is the benefit of these features? There are lots of benefit using these features. Suppose sometimes your tiger should get back, so, and you are using like remove.vg. Okay, so if you are using remove.vg, your tiger will not get back as before. So if you are using this tool, so you just click delete, and your tiger will be get back. And if you want to just like your grace below the tiger, so what you have to do, I just Ctrl Z. Okay guys, let's edit section and undo move. Let's again undo move, deselect. Okay, so as you can see, if I now hit X and brush it, sorry, brush tool, I have to use brush tool. Okay, just Ctrl Z. Okay, and if I just use B and hit brush tool, look, our background is again getting back. Okay, and if you want to get back it, one click. So let's first move tool, and let's Ctrl D, and let's delete this mask. Let's delete, and as you can see that our main background is get back in just one click. So this is the main advantage of using layer mask. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that layer mask is pretty important for your work. Okay, so that's it for today's tutorial. I will see in the next video. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks for watching.